Welcome to our channel. If you have poor cell reception at home, follow these step-by-step instructions to test and improve signal strength. Step 1. Check signal strength using your phone's field test mode or settings. On iPhone, dial 3001#12345#, and on Android, check settings under About Phone or Network. Step 2. Measure signal in different locations throughout your home. Test various rooms, floors, and positions near windows to find areas with the strongest reception. Step 3. Identify factors weakening your signal, including building materials, location, and interference. Metal roofs, concrete walls, and distance from towers all reduce signal strength. Step 4. Move closer to windows when making important calls or using data. Glass allows signals through more easily than walls, improving reception near exterior windows. Step 5. Enable Wi-Fi calling on your phone if your carrier supports it. This feature routes calls and texts through your internet connection instead of cellular towers. Step 6. Consider installing a cell signal booster in your home. These devices amplify weak signals from nearby towers, improving coverage throughout your house. Step 7. Switch to a carrier with better coverage in your area if signal problems persist. Different carriers use different tower locations, so another network may work better. Step 8. Contact your carrier about signal issues and request a network extender. Some carriers provide free or discounted devices that create mini cell towers using your internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.